Hi guys, this is Andrea Gatti from my study room, and today we're going to talk about the free stroke. So what is the free stroke? How do you apply it? And what's the purpose of it? Today we're going to learn all of this in this video. So here we go guys. So what is the free stroke? The free stroke is a movement that allows the stick to rebound without the hand getting in the way. And to do this, you need to know to open the hand and to catch, and you will catch the stick back up. Now, I really suggest you that you watch my previous videos where I talk about the rebound of the stick and also the one that talks about the open close technique. I will put the links in the description. So here we go with the free stroke. So to execute a free stroke, I will start from this position, so from the upstroke position. I will shoot my note, execute my note, and I will open my hand as I go down. As the stick rebounds, I will return up and I will catch the stick. Just thinking of this, just think of bouncing a ball. You're throwing it, a little ball, and you're catching it back up when it's coming back up. So it's kind of that motion of throwing and catching up. So it's boom. Or a yo-yo, for the ones that know what a yo-yo is, that you're probably my age. So let's look at it at the movement with the stick. So I will do it in steps. So step number one, I will throw the stick and open my hand. Step number two, I will grab it again. So in one motion is this. I suggest you to really think of that motion of throwing and grabbing. Throwing and then I grab it back up. Once you learn it with the right, you will do it with the left. Then you can alternate. Let's go now with a little application. I suggest you starting with a double paradiddle. Why the double paradiddle? Because on a double paradiddle you can execute it with two accents. And this allows you to do the full stroke and then the downstroke followed by the diddle. Let's look at it. Para paradiddle, 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 para paradiddle. This will allow you to get confidence with that motion and exploit the accents and the momentum that you give into the stick, and then you can apply it on the drum set. So keep in mind that when I'm moving on the drum set, I apply that same concept. So anytime I do two accents, even moving from one drum to the other, I try to let the stick, allow the stick to come up. I can move around freely without doing all the work. Let's start with a linear phrase that I built on top of a double paradiddle, and I move the accents around. Now I suggest you to start this just on the snare, and then when it comes at a good speed, you can move it around and find your own phrases. Here we go. See how we can apply that on the drum set. And then anytime you will move around the kit, putting accents, you will exploit that movement. Let me show you just a little with some phrases on my kit. for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel. I encourage you to watch our previous videos. I encourage you to follow us on our social media. We have Facebook, we have a Facebook group, it's called the Drum Arts Group. You can follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, and even on Pinterest. I look forward to seeing you. Bye bye, God bless you.